Hi everyone, I'm Macaulay here, the host behind Creating Conversation. We're still on our summer hiatus, but you don't have to wait too long to hear new content as I will be a guest on Word Balloon. That's the podcast hosted by John Siuntres, and you can access it on Spreaker or wherever you get podcasts. John is currently narrating the Steve Ditko Beyond the Myth documentary. The documentary is nearing a final cut and we should have a release date in the very near future. That documentary will be released in full on our YouTube page, so if you could, please find us on YouTube at TASQ and like and subscribe to stay up for notifications and news of its release. Also, we are continuing our Throwback Thursday series this week, featuring a video from our interview in 2025 with Ron Mars. Ron discusses his career at length, including his professional relationships with Penny Wrightson, as well as working on books like Green Lantern, Silver Surfer, and many, many more. So please consider liking and subscribing to our channel and to the podcast. Your support is greatly appreciated.